So whether you're looking at the PC market or smartphones, foldable devices or dual screen devices are becoming a big topic in tech right now. And Dell is not planning on being left behind here. What I have here at CES 2020 are two concept designs from Dell for possible foldable devices. In my hand here, I have the Duet. This is more of a productivity type machine. As you can see, it kind of has the shape of a typical clamshell laptop, but you could switch it into this cool book-like mode. Again, this is a concept, so we don't know much about specs or components. Right now it's running Windows 10, but Microsoft is working on Windows 10X right now, which will be an OS for foldable devices. So we'll see what Dell actually puts on this system when or if it actually hits the market. Over here, we have another concept, which is the Ori, which is short for origami. This is meant to be a more portable device. The thick bezels here are actually helpful for holding the device, stopping you from getting your fingerprints all over the screen when you're on the go. And you don't want to get fingerprints here because it's actually an OLED screen, so it's a beautiful display. Again, for the Ori, we don't have any specs quite yet, but we'll be staying tuned to see what Dell brings next and if they actually bring these foldable devices to the market. For more from CES, stay tuned to Tom's Hardware. This is Sharon Harding.